So, based on that, let me leave with you a quotation I have personally thought myself. Can everybody please read with me? 1, 2, 3, go. The basis of success is not what you have nor who you are. It is what you have become and how great you feel about yourself and the life you possess. So guys, pag iisip nyo kung ano magiging course sa college, iisip nyo kung ano magiging career or professional after college, don't just depend it on kung nasa atang pera. O kung magkakaroon ka ba ng maraming bahay o magandang bahay o maraming coaches sa trabaho yun. Piliin mo kung saan ka magiging happy. Each of us have our own definition of success. Pero being successful is what? Feeling great about who you have become and the life that you currently possess. Does it sound good? Guys, does it sound good? So pag masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, yan ang para sa iyo. Ako ba? Tanongin nyo, Pastor Ryan, masaya ka sa ginagawa mo? Do you feel that you have a great life being a corporate trainer and motivational speaker? My answer is going to be yes. That's why I love doing this. That's why I continue doing this. I don't care about challenges, obstacles along the way. I'm going to pursue this because this is what I love and this is what I'm passionate about. Are you still with me? Okay, great.